My name is Brad. I was born in California and raised in Fiji in New Zealand. Some 40 years ago, those countries were much like Kyrgyzstan today, with mountains of rubbish. People eventually decided it was much better to clean up after themselves so the countries would be clean. New Zealand is now one of the cleanest countries in the world. Now my home is in Kyrgyzstan. I live here, do business, my children grow up here, and my dream is for Kyrgyzstan to be completely clean. Мен уйгуздун таза, болушун, каалайм.